Every word you utter, every action you perform, your very existence, is it for everyone's well-being or is it just about you? Just fix this one aspect to determine the nature of your life. In essence, it means that if you fix your intention and emotion as an all-inclusive process, that your intentions are for everybody's well-being, your emotions embrace every life around you. If you just fix this, you don't have to worry about being good, and it's not hard to be good. Many people always ask me, Sadhguru, it is so hard to be good in this world, because your idea of being good is trying to morally correct yourself. If you become inclusive in the very way you exist, then you don't have to worry about being good, because what you do will naturally be for everybody's well-being.